Alright, you're welcome to today's tutorial. How was the day? I hope all went well. So you can see today we are going to talk about how to put login with Google or your Facebook account to your upgrader 24. I would like to show you the example of what we're talking about, like this app. This app, you can see, this is what we are talking about here. This is it. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add this in your upgrader 20. To put this now, we're going to make use of our we'll go to, please, if this is your first time of coming to this our channel, please do it to subscribe. As you can see, we're having just few number of subscribers here, so just do it to hit this subscription button so that things can be moving smooth for us. Because once I gain more subscribers, it gives me motivation for me to go more and more in sharing with you guys how to do some certain things using Upgrader 24. So that is just what we are focused. That is our focus on this channel. So I'm going to show you many more things. Because like this Upgrader 24, they've updated their site. So I'm also going to teach you so many other things. Yeah. Just come to this Niger Pride Crazy Tips and come here. Any of these. If you're upgrading to ADMOB, if your ADS is not showing, you can come to this place. You click at this video. Once you click at this video, maybe you click here and most popular, you can change it to most popular, or this particular one will show. So this is how you can solve, or you put your areas in your app and it will show immediately. So you can see this one, or you create game with Upgrade 24. This particular one now will show you how to create game. This one now, how to create game. This one will teach you how to put your ads so that it will show. You understand? So this one now is how to make money online with Google AdMob. This particular one will teach you how to do it. This one is tutorial how to use Upgrade 24. That is it. The best earning app. This particular one now will teach you the kind of application that once you create it to help you to generate more revenue using Upgrade 24. You can see it. So all these are the tutorials here in our our channel. So today we are going to talk about that particular one that I told you. So what are we going to do? We're going to start by going to our browser. We'll go to Upgrade 24. You have to log in. These are the applications that I've created so far. So we're going to create new app for this tutorial. Then let's name the app Google login. Let's choose icon from the gallery. You can just choose any of these. Okay. Then we'll put description. Another tutorial. Then here you're going to select style for the app. Just as usual. Here we're going to select to select chat session network. You can see the session network here. And I would like to show you something about these particular logins we are talking about. You can only make use of that logins method whenever you are trying to create a chat app or anything that has to do with session network, like you can connect with others. And this particular type of app uses our location. So for that reason, it's a must. You are going to put the login method. And besides, if you don't use it, you can still use other method there, but I recommend you make use of this particular one that I'm about to teach you guys right away, because it's a must. They are going to log in with their Gmail, and anytime they uninstall your app or later try to install it back, once they click on that sign in with Google Gmail, it will open immediately, and the person will continue from where he stopped. Like if you don't use that particular one, your app is going to be messed up. Those people, your app users who keep on creating new account every day, before you know what's up, your app will be filled with individuals that is not active. Like if I enter the app today and create a new account, and tomorrow when I try to log in again, I will need to create another account. You understand? So it's not going to look very neat. But once you make use of that Google, once you tap, one click, it will just log in automatically, and you continue your activities within the app. So that is the reason why it's very very good that you use this method that I'm about to teach you now. So what are we going to do? We're going to select this chat session network. Then you're going to answer some few questions. They say, do you want the app to have a chat? Then here you're going to say yes. Then maybe you put the title of the stuff. Do you want the chat to have chat? You say yes. Then the title of the chat, let's say Chat America. Then let's say next. Here you're gonna ask. They're gonna ask you another question. So, do you want the app to have an user finder issue network? Then, if you like, you can see the example of what they're talking about here. Huh. This particular thing. There is a typical example of what I was trying to tell you. Then, you can see these users. All these users. This is not encouraging. Once you open your app like this and see all this kind of a thing, it's not good. You can see it here. All these are people that just log into this place and finally lose their account. So but that particular names and all the rest of this will be like this forever, because you can't access the account again to delete any of this. So but you see all these ones now, they can retrieve their account again. You can see they can retrieve their account again by putting their Gmail, and this account will open. Then if they like, they can delete the account or continue from where they stopped. That is it. That's the reason why it is good you make use of login method in your app, so that you know the number of users that is visiting your app. So that is just it. uh um Now here we're going to say yes if we really want us to put this social network. Let's say social network, social network. Yeah, let's say next. So here is another question. They say, do you want to include an user's video section in our app? Okay, maybe we'll say yes, and let's put users video section. Video section. Who's calling me? Someone should stop calling me, please. I'm very very busy right away. Call me later. Then now we go to the app manager. Here's where you're going to edit some look of the app. So what are you going to do now? Remember, we are not here to beautify the app. It is just for the logins that we are here for. So that's what we're going to do. Young man, call me later, please. And what we're going to do, we're going to click at this general information, and again click on name and icon. You take a look at it take a look at it. And there's something I would like to teach you here. You see this Facebook app ID is required for Facebook login. So for you to make use of this particular feature now, it's a must you're going to activate that particular um, login method we are talking about. You understand? So that is it. Now we are going to check the access to the app. Here is the place. Here is the place. Sorry. Once you click this general here, you see general, then this will show. Then here is the access to app. You see access to app here. Now we're going to select sign up method. So here are a few things that you can use there. You can see this first one saying with sign up open to all. See it with sign up only with invitation, with sign up only with access request, with sign up only with invitation request. Yeah. So which one are we going to use? Let's choose this. Let's choose this. Like, I'm going to also show you something here. Here is your web address privacy policy. Like, you can, this is your app now. Here are the privacy policy, the one that is generated automatically for you. You can see it here. Once you copy it, you can go paste it on your console account. Like the time you be trying to upload it to Google Play Store, here you can easily come here and copy this URL for your privacy policy. So you don't need to bother yourself writing down privacy policy for the app. It is automatically generated. And here is where you're going to choose the login type that you would like to use. And that is where we are talking about. Then click on it. You see this require Facebook / Google required. Here is optional. Here is email and none. You can see it. So while using this particular one, you can only ask about the email. But when you making use of this one, this is Facebook and Google optional. It is not required. Like it's not a must. You will log in with your Facebook account or your Google Gmail account. Now, but when you use this, you can see it here, required. So it's a must you provide any of the two login type before you can be able to access the app. So that is it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to choose the Facebook / Google required because that's what we are here for. We click on it and we are going to set it. We're going to set it now. Now, first of all, we're going to set the one of Google. You can see here Google Help. You understand? This is it, and Facebook Help. Then what we're going to do, we click on Google Help. This message will show. They'll say, click here and click configure a project button. Now, 2. Create or select a project in OUTH configuration. Select Android. Now, enter the package name google.login. Now, in SHA -1 field, enter the following number. After the previous step, you can close the window to finish the configuration. So that is what we're going to do right away. We're going to click here. Then a new window will open. Then you scroll down. Remember to say configure a project. See it here, configure project. Click on configure your project. Now here we're going to select or create a project. So what are we going to do? We're going to create a new project. What is going to be the name of this project? You're going to name it based on the app that you are configuring, so that next time you want to implement it again, you're not going to repeat this process again. What are we going to do? Let's name the project. Okay, you can see it here. So this is it. We are all set. Okay, you can still download your client configuration here, and after that you close it. Let's check the app. Okay, it has not been implemented correctly. After all this, we need to save it. Sorry, we didn't save this. At least we've saved it already. Sorry, that was where the mistake was coming from. You need to save it first. You can see it. That was the mistake that we've been doing since. After everything, you need to save it so that it can be able to show up like this. So here now, before you log into the app, you need to provide your Gmail. You can see it here. Wow, this is it. The reason this tutorial went so long like this was that we after everything, instead of us to save, we'll just abandon the saving and start opening our app to see if the stuff is reflecting. So if you get any of those errors in that developer's account there, then you don't need to bother yourself. It's going to save automatically. Then what you're going to do is go back to your acct 24 and save it first. After saving, it's going to update, and everything will go live in your app. So that is it for today. If you like what we are doing here, if you really like what we do here, just do what to do what to subscribe to this our channel, so that you can be able to get more videos like this. You understand? So that is it. Thank you for watching our videos for today, and may God bless you.